The rising cases of COVID in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav has said that there is a need for lockdowns in some parts of the state where the case load is high. Meanwhile, a lockdown has already been announced in Nagpur for a week, beginning the 15th of March. Maharashtra reported 13,659 fresh cases and 54 deaths in 24 hours. This is the highest in the last 6 months alone. The state contributes to more than 50% of the new COVID cases in the country.
ही चर्चा झाली. कदाचित काही दिवसांमध्ये काही ठिकाणी लॉकडाऊन करावा लागेल. आणि म्हणून माझी पुन्हा एकदा विनंती आहे की एकतर लसीकरण करून घ्या आणि बाहेर अनावश्यक गर्दी टाळा. बाहेरचे येणं जाणं अनावश्यक असेल तिथे टाळा आणि सार्वजनिक ठिकाणी मास्क लावणे, हात धुत राहणे आणि अंतर ठेवणे हे पाळावं लागेल. आपल्याला परत पहिल्यापासून सुरुवात करावी लागेल. आणि म्हणून मला असं वाटतं अजूनही परिस्थिती हाताबाहेर गेलेली नाही, पण ती जाऊ नये असं वाटत असेल तर ही बंधनं पाळणं अत्यावश्यक आहे.
Let me in fact go across to Disha, who's joining us for more details at this point in time. Disha, this is something that Uddhav Thackeray has been talking about for some time, about the need for further lockdowns. Now he has gone ahead and said that there is a need and we might be seeing more lockdowns being announced. Already we've seen Nagpur going into lockdown mode for a week.
Well, certainly, Avni, and rightly said, because it's been constantly a month that we are looking at the COVID graph going up here in the state of Maharashtra. And if you talk about the last 1 week, particularly over 70,000 cases have been recorded in Maharashtra alone, which is a huge number. Yesterday also we saw over 13,000 cases being reported after October 2020. So this sort of figure that we are looking at is really alarming, really concerning. In fact, today the centre also reiterated the fact that how the state of Maharashtra needs to be cautious. The citizens cannot take COVID for granted because it has not gone. In fact, it is only increasing day by day. And keeping that in mind, today, of course, we also heard the Maharashtra Chief Minister warning the citizens of the state to actually follow all the COVID rules possible. And in the next 2 to 3 days, there will be a decision if any more districts would go for a lockdown or not. Just like today, we saw how Nagpur has announced 1 week lockdown starting from March 15 to 21 because of the spike in the cases. We are already looking at a night curfew happening in Pune and in the other districts as well. So as on today, of course, if we talk about several of the districts here in concern, out of 36 districts, there are 10 such districts which is reporting a positivity rate above 15%. And these 10 districts reported roughly about 2 to 3% last month. So you can see the graph and the speed at which the COVID infection is really spreading across the state.
Yes, absolutely, Disha. And of course, if we talk about Mumbai specifically, once again, it is the other hotspot where we are seeing a rising number of cases. There are new restrictions also that have been implemented in Mumbai as well.
Well, certainly, because just like Maharashtra, yesterday Mumbai too, Avni, reported its highest spike this year. And as far as if you talk about last year, then after 5 months, Mumbai reported over 1,500 positive cases. Once again, concerning the administration about people not following the rules about, social gatherings, mass gatherings happening everywhere across the city. So keeping that in mind and also looking at the trend of the last 2 months, they have observed that 90% of the new cases are coming from the buildings, from the housing societies and not from the slum areas. So keeping that in mind, they have put in certain additional restrictions in place for housing societies across the city. First and foremost, more than 5 COVID positive patients, the buildings will be sealed. The close contacts of the COVID positive patients of that building have to mandatory test on the 7th day. As far as the COVID patients are concerned, they have to be isolated, they have to be home quarantined, and if there is no separate toilet in one house, then they have to actually go to institutional quarantine. As far as the other, of course, cases are concerned, the third party people like the maids or the drivers or the watchmen, whoever is coming from outside. And if the building is sealed, they won't be allowed to step in. And thirdly, if the building is non-sealed, then their body temperatures have to be checked daily. So all of these are the restrictions. And on top of that, one very important is that if at all, if there is any COVID patient, their names and flat numbers should be displayed on the notice board so that everyone knows not to come in close contact with that family. So all of these are the new restrictions that have been put in place specifically by the administration in Mumbai.
All right, Disha, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.